In this video, we take a quick overview of the features available on Framework360. As you may know, Framework360 includes a lot of features. These are the modules already pre-installed, so when you register a new environment, you can, for example, create the website, use the CRM module to upload records and contact the customer. Thanks to notifications, email marketing, and SMS marketing, you can perform marketing automation. You can create funnels, do web tracking, that is, track everything that happens on the website, and create very advanced reports. You can manage sales, so every sale that comes from our e-commerce site, or you can manually upload sales. And then, clearly thanks to integrations, you can, for example, create invoices. As we can see, we have many integrations, including integration with Amazon, Danea, EasyFet. We have integration with Facebook, Faktura24, and Faktura in cloud. By doing so, thanks to the sales module, you can create a sale and then automatically generate the invoice, the quote, the pro forma directly on Faktura in cloud, and then have it sent to the customer. We have integration with Google and with WhatsApp. This is an external platform that allows you to use WhatsApp. We have integration with Shopify and many others. As we can see, these are the integrations, but then there are also the plugins. Plugins are expansions of the platform that allow you to use a lot of additional features. For example, the ability to sell video courses, create reserved areas, and offer membership packages available for subscription. There's the possibility to manage the site's GDPR. Look at how many features are available. You can even install a plugin for Google keyword research if you're involved in SEO or advertising. On search engines, you can install chat, sales pipelines, these for commercial networks, multi-currency. This is very interesting as it allows you to change the price of products in real time based on the currency. For example, if we sell worldwide, you can manage customer points, frequently asked questions, plugins for restaurants. Here, with this plugin, you can have a reservation system, tables, or, for example, a system for ordering home delivery. Look at how many plugins there are, and many more will be released. There is also the possibility, for example, to install a calendar for scheduling appointments. If you are a marketing consultant, for example, this feature is very useful. It integrates with Google Calendar, allowing you to create loyalty cards. There is also the possibility of using Framework360 as a cash register for local businesses. They can, for example, open the Framework360 management system on a touch screen and set up their products. By doing so, the cashier operator can clearly enter products into an order, create a sale, and print, for example, the invoice. The fiscal receipt with, for example, fiscal printers like the Archiprint offers the possibility to expand your environment. Thanks to e-commerce management, there is inventory management with the unloading and loading of warehouse availability. The ability to manage your events, if you create events and sell tickets, Framework360. With this function, it becomes a management tool for those who create events. There is the Facebook Interest Explorer. For all those who advertise on Facebook, this could be a very useful feature as it allows you to find hidden interests, which Facebook shows only through the APIs and not therefore on the Business Manager, and much more.